Hi guys, my name is Christina, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to make delicious salmon cakes that not only rich in omega-3s but also are fibrous, because I'll cover them with flax seeds, managing your blood sugar and keep you satiated for longer. Shall we go? For this recipe, you will need only 4 ingredients and its seasoning. I start this process by slicing salmon in pieces. I prefer cutting it in cubes than actually dicing, which is another option for this recipe, mainly because I like to get pieces of the protein. However, dicing salmon is another option if it's easier for you, obviously. Transfer the salmon in cubes in a bowl. In a powerful blender, turn oats into oat flour. When that is ready, add it in the bowl with the salmon. Top the mix with egg, season with salt and pepper, and mix the ingredients in the bowl well, either with a fork or with your hands. Take a handful of the mix in your hand and shape it as a burger. Cover it with a mix of flaxseed, almond, Brazil nuts, and walnuts. I find this mix ready in local supermarkets. The brand I'm using is Linwood's. Place the shaped mix in a tray that is covered with a piece of baking paper. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And look how nice they come out. For a complete meal, combine them with a variety of vegetables such as spinach, thinly sliced cabbage or carrots, as well as fat source such as avocado or feta. For more colors, I added tomatoes and pomegranate seeds. And enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment on the section below, share it with your friend, and do subscribe because I upload new recipes every week. See you in the next episode.